Good morning students, welcome to online biology class and myself Lavanya, and we are going to be continuing the topic of crop production and management. In the last sessions we discussed that agriculture and we discussed about agricultural practices and also we discussed about some types of crops, varieties of crops and season crops also we discussed. And in the preparation of soil we discussed about ploughing and leveling. The ploughing and leveling is very useful and it is a very important method when the crops are going to be grown. A newly crop we need to be grown. The first method we must do is preparation of soil, that is ploughing and leveling. Yes, and the second method is very important method. It is nothing but the sowing of seeds. Yes, sowing of seeds. This is the very important method. Why? Because when we want to take any seeds, best example rice. If your father wants to bring a rice packet from the market to home, what does your father will do? Some amount of rice will take to the hand and your father is going to be check the quality of rice. If it is good only, he is going to be bring it to your home. If it is not good, he will be left the packet in shop only. Like that, the farmers are also going to check the quality of seeds, whether the seeds are disease free or not, whether the seeds are having fully seed coat or not, whether the seeds is less weight or more weight. And the best thing, the old method, this is not the new method. Our old farmers, our thousands of years of our farmers are using this method. That is to show that the quality of checking the seeds. And today's session we are going to be see with the help of one activity. And here first we need to be select the seeds and weighing we need to be checked and diseased free seeds we need to be checked. Yes, we need to be check the selection and we need to be check the weight of the seeds and diseased free seeds and seed coat. Seed coat also we need to be checked. Why? Because the seed coat is very important for the seed to grow. If the seed coat is not there for the seeds, the seed cannot be germinate properly from the soil. To check the quality of the seeds, we need to be take the beaker and I am going to be pour the water. Some seeds we are going to be pour. The floated some seeds, going to down some seeds. Yes. Here the floated seeds and some down seeds. The floated seeds are having less weight and the down seeds are having more weight. We need to be check the weight also. Otherwise, the quality of the seed will be collapsed and the damage is going to be happen to the crops. And by using one activity, we are going to be perform the quality of the seeds. Further, the aim of this experiment to show the quality of seeds and what are the apparatus, tools we need, things we need to perform this experiment. We need to take beaker and seeds, different types of seeds we need. And next, water. Yes, But for the crop means they are going to be take the big containers and more amount of water to check the quality of seeds. But we are some experiment purpose only we are going to be do. We need to be take only a little amount. I am going to take only the 2 beakers, that is 200 ml of beakers and some amount of water and different types of seeds. Take 200 ml of beaker and pour 100 ml of water in that. And now I am going to be take the seeds. This is the groundnut seed. I am going to be pour the groundnut seed. Yes. The seed which is floated in the water is the less weight seed. The seeds which will be went to down is the more weight seeds. Now one more question I want to ask you children. Which seed we need to be grown? The plant will come? The down seed only will be helpful for the plant to grow healthy than the floated seed. Yes, the down seeds are only going to be grown into the soil than the floated seeds. Floated seeds are having what we discussed. It is having the less weight. And the down seeds went in a water is the more weight seeds. That is the down seeds are only good quality seeds than the floated seeds. See here children. Yes. And one more seed we are going to be check. Take another beaker and I am going to be pour 100 ml of water. Yes. And now before we did the activity with the groundnuts, and now I am going to be take the Bengal gram. These green gram. This green gram is a crushed seed, not a seed. This is a crushed seed. Now I am going to be pour some green grams. See here. Do you observe any difference from groundnuts to green gram? Yes. Yes. Here some seeds floated more than the groundnut. The floated seeds are having less quality, less weight, and the down seeds are having the more weight. These down seeds are only useful for the plants to grow in, useful for the seeds to grow in a crop. Yes, after doing this experiment, they collected the down seeds and they are going to be kept in a sunlight. After wetting the seeds only, they are going to be sown in a soil. More time they are not going to be do these, the seeds cannot be in a water. They needs to be do it very fast. Why? Because the seed coat will be removed from the seeds. That must be very important. Okay. And next, after the quality check of the seeds will be removed out and the seeds are kept in the sunlight. After drying only they are going to be sowing in a soil. There are the two methods to sow the seeds in a soil. What are the two methods? One is broadcasting and another one is the seed drill. Broadcasting and seed drill. These two methods are used by the farmers and different types. Some seeds go for broadcasting and some seeds will be go for seed drill. Broadcasting is nothing but scattering by using the hand, and seed drill we are going to be used with the help of a machine. We are going to be using a machine. The broadcasting and seed drill. The broadcasting we discussed the paddy will be useful. Paddy is helpful for method of broadcasting, and the seed drill we are going to be using the mission. With the help of mission, I told you the funnel is helpful to pour the seeds to each tube. The seed will be grown into a soil. There is an equal distance to the plant to plant, and a proper aeration also is going to be suitable for the each plant. And one disadvantage was there in the broadcasting. What was that disadvantage? The disadvantage is nothing but there is a proper gap is not there in the plant, and next the seed will be not went to down, or it will be float. It will be in the up layer of the soil. To do that, any insect will be come and fall on the soil. It may be eat the insect. by using the scattering method. By using the seed drill method, how many tubes are there for the mission? Take an example, 5 tubes are there for the mission. 5 people will be standing back to the mission. If the mission is going forward, the seeds will be fall. At that time, the person will be, now the mission is went, the person will be did like this. What does it mean? The person is, by the help of the food, he is going to be crush the soil. But at the time, the seed will goes to the little deeper to the soil, and that is the suitable for the seed to germinate. And one more thing, after seed drill or broadcasting, we need to be very careful. Now, it needs to be free for insects and free from animals. To avoid that, we need to be float the water in the crop, on the crop. If the water is there, the seeds cannot be come outside and it cannot be appeared out for the insects to eat and appeared out to eat the animals. To avoid that, we need to be fill the field with water. At that time, a proper oxygen and proper moisture will be reached to the seed, and the seed will be started germinate with the help of seed coat. Yes, that is the thing we need to be used. And in these class we discussed what we discussed. In this class we discussed about the recapping sowing of seeds. First we need to be select the seeds, and next we need to be checking the quality of the seeds. Some seeds we are going to be checked by seeing, and some seeds we are going to be checked to take the we discussed one experiment, that is the floating and weighing seeds. While doing that the process, only some amount of seeds only will be checked. And the fruits seeds, how we may check that? The fruits seeds we can check it. We need to be taste the fruits, and we need to be see the plants also. We need to be get the more profit. No, that's why we need to be do the precautions when we are growing the seeds in the soil. Yes, again we need to be see that the water level is correct or not. When we are after sowing the seeds, the water level is more, means the seed cannot be germinate. It will be get spoilage of seed. That also we need to be checked. And next, not to fly any insects on the crop. If the more water is there, dirty water will be reached to your crop, insects will become. If the insects will be formed, the sludge will be formed on the soil, that is not to get aeration to the seed, not to germinate properly. That and all we discussed, and that is the precaution. And again we need to be check the weight of the soil, and again disease free also we need to be check it out. And with the help of one experiment, that is to show the quality of seeds. That is the experiment performed today. And the sowing of seeds are two methods. One is broadcasting and another one is the seed drill. Broadcasting means scattering of seeds. That is not the new method. That is old method. Thousands of years ago, our farmers are doing that method only. But now the new technology, new techniques have came. That's why we are using the seed drill method by using the mission. Yes. And this is about the sowing of seeds. And in the next class, we are going to be discuss about the adding of manures and fertilizers. And thank you, children.